In this video, I'm going to run through the top 3 ways to fix your Shopify abandoned carts. Now, if you're new to the channel, I run Ascend Media and we help Shopify stores scale to 7 and 8 figures using email marketing, SMS, and referral programs. So let's dive in. Conversion rates is one of the things that most brands don't really understand and really fail to properly optimize. So if your conversion rates are low, you need to start by walking through and understanding where people are actually dropping off. Is it from the product page to add to cart? Is it from initiate checkout to purchase? Where does the drop happen? And where the drop is happening will influence what you need to do to fix it. Now, on average, stores have a 69% abandoned cart rate. So if you're below that, you're doing okay. Not everyone is going to purchase. That's just a reality of the situation. You're never going to get 100% conversion rate. But if people are not converting, it's important to understand the intent level of the people who have initiated checkout or who've added to cart. These people know what they want, but they're likely dropping off because of one of these 4 things. The first is shipping costs. In a day and age where Amazon offers free same-day shipping, it's like they're just waiting outside your door. Take a page out of their notebook and offer free shipping. We've tested this with a ton of clients, and having free shipping almost always will improve conversion rates. No one wants to pay for shipping. And before you say, oh, well, it's going to impact my margins. No, I can't do it. 2 things. Yes, it will, but so will not getting purchases. And 2, increase your prices and just bake that into the shipping cost. A bonus here, another reason why people drop off is shipping time. So if it takes someone 3 weeks to receive a product, this is a pain in the ass. People don't want to wait long. Oftentimes, people are buying for an event or a specific thing, and they want it now, not in 3 weeks from now. The more that you can reduce these shipping times, the better experiences your customers will have, and the better your conversion rates will be. The second, and one of the biggest reasons people drop off, is because they just don't trust you. There's a lot of shit on the internet, and people are a lot more wary than they once were. It takes a lot more to get people to trust you, and they won't purchase unless they actually do trust you, especially if your store sells higher value products. If you're selling higher value jewelry or furniture, it's going to take more to earn that trust. Now, there's a few ways to build that trust with your customers. And the first is by showcasing your reviews. This is a no-brainer. We recommend having this on your product pages, your home pages, and your email flows. More on that in just a second. But no one wants to be the first one to a party. So showcasing your reviews and why people love you and your products is a great way to actually build that trust. The other way to do this is by showcasing your PR or other publications you've been featured in. If you've been featured, reviewed, or mentioned in any publications, big or small, highlighting this alone will go a long way to building that trust. The reputation of their brand or publication becomes more closely associated with your brand. This is why you often see big brands saying featured in Forbes or insert PR name here. Now, the third reason you're missing out on sales and you're experiencing high abandoned cart rates is because you're not leveraging email and SMS. Before you say you've already got that, I can hit a golf ball, but I am not making the PGA Tour anytime soon. You want to make sure that you not only have an abandoned checkout flow for email and SMS, but it's actually properly optimized. Our clients generate hundreds of thousands of dollars in this email alone. But this is where a lot of brands go wrong. They just have the same message for 3 different emails. That's the wrong way to do it because you're just going to piss people off. They're not receiving anything different. It's like saying the same thing 3 different times. What we do with our clients is we build out 4 to 6 emails in a flow. The messages vary, but we start with a simple reminder. For emails 2 and 3, we want to touch on the main reasons why they actually would abandon cart in the first place. Usually that's going to come down to price, shipping, and trust. If you can address one of those objections, people will be far more likely to purchase. In the third email, we also want to add some scarcity and urgency. So if there's a real possibility that your product may run out, leverage that. If you only have 10 more products in stock, mention that. Use scarcity to your advantage. Now, if someone has already purchased in the past, we typically stop here. But for new users who have never purchased before, we want to lean heavier into incentives incentivizing that first purchase. They got so close. These people have such high intent, and sometimes incentivizing people just with some sort of special offer will be the exact push that they need to just make that purchase. So anyways, hopefully this video helps you capture more of your abandoned carts. And if you do have an e-com brand doing over $50,000 a month and you're looking for some help scaling your email marketing and SMS, I'd invite you to apply using the link below in the description. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll chat soon.